Imagine your brain as a busy bustling command center constantly trying to make sense of everything happening inside and outside you. That's where the neurovisceral integration model comes into play, highlighting how your brain and your visceral organs like your heart and gut work together seamlessly. Think of it as a social network between your mind and body, communicating via the vagus nerve, the visceral efferent neurons, keeping everything in balance. Now dive into the fascinating world of the Polyvagal theory, which reveals how your autonomic nervous system is tuned for safety and social connection. When things are calm, your parasympathetic system is at work promoting rest and digest, helping you feel secure. But when danger lurks, the sympathetic side kicks in, revving up bodily agitation, think racing heart and tense muscles so you can respond to threats. Interactive inference, a brain's clever trait. It constantly predicts what's going to happen next using prior beliefs. Next, predictive coding and the Bayesian learning models. Your brain creates mental models of yourself and the environment, generating sensory experiences based on those predictions, with the goal of minimizing interoceptive error, the mismatch between what it expects and what it actually feels. When there's a big gap, it sparks surprise, confusion, or even emotional responses. Speaking of emotions, the theory of constructive emotions suggests that emotions aren't just automatic reactions but are built through an interplay of cognitive appraisal, bodily senses, and social context. For example, your appraisal of a situation like seeing a stranger approach can trigger fear or safety depending on your beliefs and past experiences. These appraisals are influenced by social and cultural factors, shaping how you generate, manifest, and terminate emotions. However, sometimes this system gets tangled. Conditions like personality delusions or psychosis may stem from impaired social interactions, repetitive behaviors, or sensory motor dysfunction. In such cases, the brain's predictive coding can go awry, with altered dopamine signaling in the striatum, disrupting normal perception and belief formation, leading to hallucinations or false beliefs. Within this complex dance, emotion regulation strategies act as the brain's toolbox. Cognitive change, attentional deployment, distraction, expressive suppression, and situation modification help manage emotional responses. These strategies are powerful process-based therapy, aiming to enhance self-regulation and promote adaptive psychophysiological outcomes like soothing the autonomic nervous system and promoting parasympathetic activity. When your brain detects bodily agitation or visceral signals, say a pounding heart or tight stomach, it can engage the anterior anterior cortex and cingulate cortices to interpret and respond. This interoceptive awareness feeds into our social and emotional experiences, influencing responses and behaviors. Finally, understanding these interconnected systems from the neurovisceral integration and predictive coding to emotional regulation and social cognition opens the door for innovative therapies. Process-based approaches and psychotherapies rooted in computational neuroscience aim to reshape maladaptive beliefs, improve social function, and foster resilience, all while keeping things light, accessible, and grounded in the fascinating biology that makes you uniquely you.